everybody, Mrs. Jones here to demonstrate to you ways to use your Google Classroom and check for upcoming work and assignments, and also to help maybe schedule and prioritize doing your work. If your dashboard looks like mine, and I expect it does, you'll have lots of classes to be checking. So here are some ideas to help with getting through what can seem like an overwhelming experience. First, get yourself up every day, and whenever you're ready to go and do some work, it's going to be a good idea to log in and check all your classrooms so you know what you'll need to do for the assignments that day. You can go to your dashboard, which should look like this. You can actually move your classes around, and if it helps, put them in order of your daily schedule. You just click at the top and drag them, and they'll move into the order that you choose. In the middle school, you can always check in with Ms. Snoggles on the homeroom page to see what's going on for that day. You'll then know what day it is and what you can post in homeroom if you so choose. When you're on your dashboard, you will see 3 lines in the top left. In order to see what tasks and assignments are due for each day, you can go to the calendar. The calendar is the location on your Google Classroom which will show you all the assignments you have upcoming for that day in all your classes all at once. As you can see here, anything due for today, tomorrow, the week, and even checking from last week is an option here to click through the calendar. When you're done looking at the overview for your day, you can click on the 3 bars again and it will take you back to your dashboard. Then you can go to your first mod class. In my case, it's second mod, and check out what is on the stream. The stream is where your teachers are posting messages and information that might be important to that class. It's best to read the entire message because your teachers are posting instructions here. Reading this closely and carefully will cut down on questions, and you may find the answers to what you're unsure about without having to send your teacher a message. If you look over to the top left, you'll see a location where all the upcoming assignments are posted. If you click on the View All button, it will take you to a to-do list. The to-do list will show you what, if anything, still needs to be done that isn't quite finished yet. Another place to check your to-do list is by clicking the 3 bars to the left again and go down to the to-do button here. This particular to-do list will list all the assignments that you have for all your classes. Moving back to your individual classes, you can also do that on the left click as well. You can see what your classes are over to the left, and you can move through your classes and just check to see what is upcoming for that particular class. You can move through your entire daily schedule this way. Make sure you're checking your stream in all your classes so you know if there's any messages from your teachers. Some people will choose to check their morning classes and then check their afternoon classes later, or you can check your entire schedule. Whatever works best for you. Just make sure you know what is due each day. And that's generally listed over here. Another place to see what's due is also on the dashboard itself. That's always listed here on the main dashboard. Once you know what your assignments are and when they're due, you'll want to prioritize them and choose what order to complete your work in. You can do this in a couple different ways. You can choose to follow your daily schedule, start work with Mod 1 and go from there, or you can choose your longest assignments. You can also choose to start with your favorite class to get yourself motivated to do the work. How you prioritize is all up to you as long as you're completing the work. When you go back to the classroom page and you click on classwork, you'll see where your class's assignments are actually posted here as well. Many of you know how to do this, but for those that need a review, click on the classwork. The assignments will come up with the instructions from your teachers. Follow these directions carefully and use all the resources they have listed here for you to use. Once you've completed a task or an assignment, be sure to click either Submit or Turn In so your teacher knows you've completed and turned in what you're supposed to. As always, you can email or contact your teachers in whatever way is best with questions or concerns. Take some time to explore Google Classroom a little bit and any other platform you may be asked to use to get a better understanding for them. Take care, and we'll see you when we see you.